God is one and He is the creator of all. Beautiful line, quoted by Mahatma Jyotiba Phule. Jyotiba Phule, a source of inspiration for younger generation. He was a person who dedicated his entire life for the uplifting of downtrodden, eradication of untouchability, and strived for the equal rights for all. A very hearty morning to one and all present here. This is Meenakshi Chaudhary from class 8, standing before you to present today's morning assembly. Every year, 11th of April is celebrated as Jyotirao Govindarao Phule Jayanti. Let us pay tribute to him for his visionary efforts and start today's morning assembly with God's prayer first. So everybody join your hands and close your eyes, start prayer. After prayer and pledge, Jyotiba Phule believed in the principles of freedom, equality, and fraternity and tolerance. He believed that an ignorant and illiterate person is like a beast. For him, truth was the real religion. And next, I would like to invite on stage Jay from class 8 to share with us quote of Jyotiba Phule. Good morning, everyone. My name is Jay. Thought of the day is: true education signifies empowering others and leaving the world a little better than the one we found. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you very much, Chair. Modern India cannot be imagined without the path-breaking contributions of Phule and other social reformers who came after him. Dear friends, today when we look back at the more than 4-decade journey of this young man who was given the honorific Mahatma in the presence of thousands of people, we will amaze to learn the expense of his vision and the tremendous innovativeness and creativity which was exhibited in his actions. Let us know about him. I would like to invite on stage Tapas from class 8 to deliver a speech. Thank you very much, Tapas. India is fortunate to have in its long history many extraordinary human beings who devoted all their lives for the betterment of the society and for the upliftment of the downtrodden, and Jyotiba Phule was one of them. Let us test our knowledge and know how much we know about our social reformers. And I would like to invite on stage Naman from class 8 for GK quiz. Thank you very much, Naman, for testing our knowledge. And now we are at the end of today's morning assembly. Now everybody get ready for national anthem.